So let's go ahead and unlock this with the built-in fingerprint reader under the display. I love how Samsung does that. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone. So without further ado, let's get to getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it's got an S and a giant 22 right here on the front. Nice black box. And over here it says Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we can go ahead and pull the top off and voila, there is the phone itself. As you can see, although this is technically an S phone right here, it looks a lot like a Samsung Galaxy Note because not only is it in this big boxy rectangular shape right here, but look over here. It's got an S Pen built right into it, which is just super duper cool. So we can put that back in the phone right here. We can pull this little plastic off the bottom right there. Moment of truth, guys. Here we go. Voila. And then this piece right here. And then same thing down here, and then we can pull this plastic off the top right here as well. And let's turn on this phone. And while the phone turns on right here, let's see what else is in the box. So right here we got a SIM ejector tool. Let's see what's within this box within a box. It looks like we have, yes, a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging this up, and it looks like that'll be all. No wall plug in here, sadly. So anyway, let me now set up this phone. So now folks, I have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra right here all nice and set up. So let's go ahead and unlock this with the built-in fingerprint reader under the display. I love how Samsung does that. I wish Apple would add an under display fingerprint reader as well, because that's just very, very cool. So now over here, let's just take a quick walk around the phone. As you can see over here on this side, we've got nothing. Over here on this side, we've got the volume buttons right here. We got the power button right here. Over on the bottom, we got a USB-C port, SIM card tray, and also the S Pen right here. We can put that back in, and then over on the back we can look at all these different cameras. So right here we've got the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Right here we got the 108 megapixel wide angle camera. That is a lot of megapixels, folks. Over here we got the 10 megapixel 10 times optical zoom camera, whereas right here we've got another 10 megapixel optical zoom camera, except this one is for 3 times optical zoom. So on the front of the phone, not only do we have this beautiful screen right here, but we also have a 40 megapixel selfie camera. Now, if you're wondering, this is definitely a big phone. So the screen itself is 6.8 inches, and Samsung calls it their Edge Quad HD Plus display. So I will definitely say, from my very first impressions right here, this display looks pretty beautiful. I mean, it is a dynamic AMOLED display with a 120 hertz refresh rate right there. So it is very, very smooth. Now, anyway, I kind of want to test out the S Pen on this phone because that is really the new feature for the S lineup. So here we go. It says hello. That's pretty funny right there. So now that I'm holding the S Pen, we can tap right here and let's create a note and let's practice drawing with this. So let's see, maybe I want to draw my own smiley face. Oh yeah, look how cool that looks. Now let's scroll down and let's say, hi, I am using, and then next I'll say this S Pen on an S22 Ultra. So that is pretty cool right there. So now I think I'll put the S Pen away right here. And I've got to say, I think this sort of boxy design on the S22 Ultra is pretty interesting because, of course, I'm used to using iPhones which have rounded corners on the phone, whereas these are definitely not rounded, they're sharp. So I think this is a pretty interesting design. It definitely feels different in the hand right here. But anyway, with that, I definitely want to keep this video nice, quick, easy, and short. This initial unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So with that, that'll be all for this video. Now, if you're in the market for a case for your very own Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases I'm going to be unboxing for this phone right here and its It's going to be a lot, spoiler alert. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so definitely check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.